Okay guys, a couple of things about helicopters before we go. The most important rule, never walk near the tail.
Oh, okay.
It's the most dangerous part when the tail rotor is spinning. So remain on board the helicopter until we open the doors for you.
Okay.
And we'll help you out. Another thing, just the exits here guys, like we discussed earlier. Exit door in the lock position. If you need to open it, turn the handle and the door opens outwards.
Okay.
We'll do it for you when you land. You
Awesome.
just need to know how it works.
All right.
All right. Seatbelt's very easy. The front seatbelt is like a racing harness. We'll help you with that on. And in the back, just a normal lap sash like an airliner.
Okay.
Lift at 90 degrees and separates.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
Happy with that? Excellent. Come on around this side.
The Black Widow.
This is a badass helicopter you have here.
We got the best one for you for the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Who's in the front seat? Climb in first.
Oh, shit.
Woo, look at this, man. I've got a bed back here.
Yo, Ecro, thank you for the $2, homie. I appreciate you.
All right, Jesse, you're going to give your hand with your seatbelt there, mate.
Okay.
You can grab the one that's down beside you. You just to your right-hand side on the floor.
Oh, on the floor. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry. I'm blind. Oops.
Yeah, that's it. Steph, you've got doors too there, mate.
Yep.
Just like this?
That's right, so it just clips into the side.
Okay.
And then one across each shoulder for you as well.
Okay.
One there and the other one there.
Okay.
Camera.
Oh, it's all right. Safety first.
That's it. Now, Steph, you're okay?
Yep.
Now, if you need to undo the seatbelt, like I said, lift that 90 degrees and that separates. Headphones are behind you. They'll work once we start up and get the chopper up and running. And your exit's the same on this side as I showed you on the other side.
Where do I plug this thing into?
That's it, just
Oh.
one on the top and the other one.
I must have let go of that one, sorry.
Oh, you're right.
Slacking.
Now, Jesse, if you need to undo that, you rotate that buckle, okay, and it all separates.
Okay.
All right?
Awesome.
All good?
Yeah.
Excellent. You've got your headset up to your right-hand side there too.
Oh, nice. Oops. All right, guys. The headset, I'm not going to be able to use the headset thing for you guys, but it's more like a visualization thing. Oh, my God! Welcome to Mana City. Hey, what up, Adult?
So your headset is just going to take a peek.
Right.
Yo, it's still cute, guys. You still got a good picture? Can we get some cues in the feed if you feel like you're here with me? Oh my God! What up, Adult? Welcome back to Mana City. Yeah, we got dual cam.
Not yet. I'm trying to work out how.
Okay. Now, Jesse, feel free to put that microphone up in the headset if you want to.
Oh, okay, it was kind of, yeah. I got it in my pocket. I'll make sure I'll give it back to you. Thank you for bringing that, though. I need
Hey,
to.
not a
That's a nice little upgrade that I'm gonna have to invest in.
No worries.
Thank you for taking us out, man. I'm very excited for this. This is gonna be awesome.
My pleasure. Good to be able to show you guys around and show you the beautiful part of the Gold Coast, northern New South Wales. We're going to have a look down on the beaches of northern New South Wales and the beaches of the southern Gold Coast this morning. So we'll give you a great look at the local area. Thoroughly enjoy it.
Thank you.
See you later.
All right, here we go.
Woo! Oh, see the shadow? Spaceship's booting up, boys. Woo! All right. So the helicopter has the camera on it. Okay, sweet. Yeah, it's awesome. Dude, this is awesome. It's fucking, this is everything. This is sweet. Yeah, I love this. Do this? No, it's not. It's just us. It's an upgrade I need to make. That's such a cool feeling. How they built so many buildings like that close to the water, and like, you know, like the water, because I was like talking to my buddy, like it's crazy how the water, like in my mind the water would keep washing it away, you know, like when you get up here, like where the big buildings are, I see how close they are. It's just, do they bring sand in then? Oh, okay. It's awesome. Steph, you should hop to the left. I'll have to let them look out this window and I just look to you. Oh, sorry, yeah, it was okay. Let me know when you're ready, I'll switch seats up. Damn, it's so cool seeing all this from up here.
Different from up here. Well, did you see that dude get hit by the dolphin? Where was that? Oh, okay. Full on jumped out of a wave, man, and smacked him.
I was a professional gamer. It's like I used to travel around and I was able to collect some gear throughout my days. I think I'm switching back up here right now, so yeah, I'm gonna keep changing through all the way every once in a while. Oh my God. Yeah, that is. Oh my God. How much of it ain't gonna completely go sideways? See if we get some ones for Dan over here. We get some ones for Dan taking time out of his day to show us the ropes of the ocean. Come on, boys, let's light it up. Let's get some ones with the feed for Dan. He's out here taking time out of his day to help us out and show us this beautiful view. There you go, all those ones up here. Oh shit. Oh my God, that's epic. Holy shit.
Look at the sand.
Yeah.
Look at the sand.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's epic. Yeah, yeah. perfect landings. Saying thanks, Dan. Thanks, Dan. That's what I was saying in the chat. Thanks, Dan. Dan. They're all saying, thanks, Dan, thanks, Dan. Thanks, Dan, thanks, Dan. On my trip, I got a traveler's visa, so I can come and go as much as I please over a year, but I can only stay for 3 months at a time. So, like this 3-month session ends in July, so I'll probably go to Thailand for like a week or something, and then come back. I'm trying to take, Highway 1. With my car, I got it all worked out. I'm gonna take it all the way around Highway 1, all the way around the country. Yeah. Try to be living out of my car for like 6 months and just taking my camera with me everywhere I can go. So, just trying to show everybody Australia, because no one I know in real life has ever come to Australia. Like my buddies back home, so I try to do my best to share my experience with everybody, especially with the equipment I got. Yeah, I'd love to grab one too from my phone if that's okay. Dude, yeah, that was so cool. I've never had that experience when Steph's like, how far can you turn it? And you're like, man, I was like, oh my God. That's just wild to me, how you can do that when the blades just pretty much are going more vertical. Yeah, does that if you stayed like that for too long, would it cause problems then?
No, not really. Look, you can only really, when you turn,
yeah.
You can't, if you're staying in this, continue to go anyway.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, because I'm assuming if your blades were just pointed like this, you'd probably just start going,
yeah.
Can you do a loopy?
They can. Some you can, some you can't. Yeah. They can do them in this.
I don't remember how to unlock this.
Yeah, that's okay. That just the whole thing just twists.
Oh, twist.
I'll grab that door for you. See.
Oh, nice. Here's these back. I'm glad you brought these, because this is
keep them. I've got heaps.
Oh, okay.
So take them with you. I've got bloody.
Oh, wow. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, so go ahead and hop out. I'll hop out after you.
We're going to get a photo beside the chopper when we get out.
Oh my God, that was
pretty sick. Really clearly.
You what? Oh, you could?
Oh, could you?
Yeah, this little thing, it's called a windsock. It kind of blocks all that ambient noise out, for the most part. Damn, this helicopter is so sweet. And then, I want to can you take one when you're done with, please and thank you, by the way, I appreciate you. Whenever you're done with that.
It's like a carbon fibre, yeah. It's really good. What do you reckon, Carly? Here?
Dan the man. Dan the man.
That was good. Another one?
Yeah.
Good
Thank
stuff,
you so
guys.
much.
Hey,
brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, pleasure, man. You too. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Thank you for all your help.
Thanks for that.
Can I walk around? Can I show you your helicopter one time real quick? God damn, look how big these fucking blades are.
Yeah, well, that's the plan, but
No, don't worry, guys. The day ain't over yet. We're gonna go parasailing here. I think the parasailing thing is in. We're gonna go parasailing in 2.5 hours, and then we're going on a speedboat. So we're gonna do some serious water streaming now. If you don't know what parasailing is, it's like a little kite that comes out behind, a boat. So we got tons of shit planned for today. Yeah. It's a dope ass helicopter, guys. God, this is so sick. All the day? Yeah, all the day. How much money do I have? Not a lot. We raised. That's what the donation goals are for. All right.
Sick as, man.
Yeah, that was dope. That's one sexy ride, my man.
Well, that's the news one. Look at the camera. That's the news one with the camera.
Whereabouts are you from?
Nebraska, like cornfields and stuff. So, like as far as possible from the ocean as you can be in the States. So, yeah.
Really nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, guys. Thank you again. Bless you. Have a great day. Wish you guys the best. Thank you for your help. Have a good day, guys. All right, yo, Mod City. So you guys, yo, let me turn the speaker on. Yo, bro, that was fucking sick as hell, dude. That was so dope.